A magnificent country mansion. Located in Stroud, Gloucestershire, England. It offers 11 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. This Grade 2 listed country house, originally dating to 1584, and rebuilt and extended in the 19th century, has undergone a full 8-year renovation and now offers 17,385 square feet of modern, high-spec accommodation within 2.5 acres. The property retains key period features: stone fireplaces, hardwood floors, mullion windows, and decorative plasterwork. The main reception level includes a library, sitting room, drawing room with terrace access, billiard room, and an impressive ballroom with far-reaching views. Multiple staircases connect the house, including a restored Victorian spiral staircase. The lower ground floor is designed for modern living, featuring a large kitchen with French doors to the garden, a sitting room, cinema room, dining area, gym, fitness room, sauna, shower room, a wine cellar, professional kitchen, utility room, and access to extensive cellars opening directly to the gardens. The first floor offers a large principal suite, bedroom, bathroom, and fitted dressing room, along with 4 further bedrooms, 3 en suite. The top floor provides 6 additional bedrooms ideal for guests or staff. Outside, the property includes landscaped gardens and terraces, providing a private setting for relaxation and entertaining. The asking price of this magnificent country mansion is £5,895,000. A fully modernised historic home offering extensive accommodation, strong period character, and superb views in a convenient countryside setting. Thank you for watching.